Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Apple ID credentials and that you can receive two-factor codes because you will be asked to authenticate. Once ready, unlock the device and open Settings, then tap your name at the top. Make sure the device is online so changes sync. If you can't get online, note the alternate iCloud removal path later. Next, tap Find My to access the feature controls and prepare to disable location and activation lock. You now tap Find My, then find My iPhone and toggle it off. This is the key action that removes activation lock. When asked, enter your Apple ID password to confirm. This disconnects the device from your account. Make sure you wait for the on-screen confirmation and for the device to sync to iCloud. Otherwise, the lock may persist. If you plan to erase or sell the device, also consider signing out of iCloud in Settings to fully detach the device from your Apple. If the device is missing or offline, go to iCloud. On another device, sign in, open Find iPhone, select the device, and choose Remove from Account after erasing it. Once removed, the Find My setting and activation lock are cleared. If you encounter errors, make sure you're using the correct Apple ID and that the device is reachable. If problems persist, contact Apple support with proof of purchase. This fixes most edge cases when the standard toggle path fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.